Endangered out of city. Today I talk about topic animals endangered. My topic has three parts. Part 1 is what endangers. Part 2 is why animals endangered. And the last part is protection animals. So let's start. What endangers? When an animal family is in danger of extinction, we call it an endangered species. Endangered means it's time to have them. There are 1,000 species animals endangered. Siberian tigers need a big forest to live, but nowadays forests are too small, so they can't live up there. Purple spotted butterfly live in Taiwan. Purple spotted butterfly is go to new place every year, but in they travel, many cars hit them, so purple spotted butterfly is endangered. Mountain zebra and lemon poison frog in Colombia is endangered too. Why are animals endangered? There are many causes to animals endangered. First is more animals eat them. Second is sudden change in the weather. The third is new diseases. The fourth is natural disasters like volcanoes, tsunamis, or earthquakes. And the last is people's action, like cut trees to take wood, destroy forests, and hunting animals for take birds and clouds. We can protect animals by many things. We can clean and protect the habitat. We can build home for birds in home garden or school ground. Plant trees and flowers where insects like butterfly live. Clean river banks with lanes to make the ground stronger. Thanks for listening to me. Goodbye everyone.